Seafood lovers will enjoy Spoon's recipe this Sunday. Rachel Alejandro drops by in our kitchen to cook a luxurious and cheesy seafood delight.
Go!
So, ano gagawin mo?
Ako nga pala.
Oo.
Hindi
ako marunong magluto.
Sorry, na-excite ako.
Then in Silver Moments, Rachel and Janice get emotional on their topic about love and relationship.
Ang pinaka-tough siguro sa akin is always sa love life. Laging yan yung hirap, medyo hirap ako.
Maraming ganun.
Diba? Kasi diba you always say that whenever you see someone na parang, bakit kayo ganun? Parang maganda naman siya, parang she seems to be intelligent, parang bakit? Parang wala siyang boyfriend.
All that and more on your #1 cooking and celebrity talk show. Spoon, your spoonful of talk.